วัสดีค่ะ welcome back to my kitchen. It's me Sai, and today we are going to make pad thai. We are going to make authentic pad thai. How come it's authentic? Let me tell you a little bit about pad thai. Pad thai was creating in World War II. There was a flood over there too, so the rice and the meat hard to find and it's very expensive. So the prime minister back in that time found the solution. So he was thinking like, what any ingredient that any household have. So of course Thai people we have fish sauce, plum sugars, and tamarind. The noodles back there was very cheap, still cheap then, still cheap now. So today we are going to make pad thai, and the oil that we're gonna be using is the fat oil that extracting from the pig pork fat. So let's make that today. We are going to cut the banana blossom is behind my house. My mom gonna throw me off because she like her banana to ready. Look at we have banana over here. Like this, it's ready to eat and making dessert. But there's a one banana blossom behind my house. I'm gonna make pad thai today. Okay. Look at this banana blossom. I'm gonna cut it now, but I'm wearing white shirt. I'm gonna cut and run. I don't know how to do this. Yeah, I got it. But be careful, see? This dripping, if it like drop on your clothes, like I got like white shirt. It's gonna be stained forever, so hard to get rid of. By the way, I have one clothes I can't get rid of, so let's go in and prep and make pad thai. Before we go and make a stir fry, I'm gonna soak these noodles into the water. You don't have to, you can add more water if you want, but I'm just gonna soak just a little bit and then let's go making stir fry. Pork oils, if it's cold, it's gonna form into that white, like it kind of form together like coconut oil. Oil in, and then we're gonna stir fry shallot and tofu first. See a little bit bubble running up, so let's add out tofu. Stir fry until it's crispy and golden, and shallot in there. Stir fry together. Okay, I think it's okay. So that in here. And now we're gonna make the sauce. So take everything out, but you don't have to clean your wok. You can just use this wok. Heat off. We're adding plum sugar in here. Because the pan is still hot, so the heat off first. And then tamarind. For the tamarind, you don't want it too thick because you buy it from the shop. If you buying from the shop, you know it's different sour level. So turn the heat on. Is my gassing finished? Until they combine. Okay, until the sugar melts, we're gonna add water. And this is our noodles that we're soaking up. Put it in. Now it would be okay if you have a little bit of warm water on the side, just in case you need it more. You can just add that on. For pad thai, if you want a beautiful color, use the old tamarind. Old tamarind have darker color. It makes the noodle look nice. So see, the noodles now is soft. I'm gonna add a little bit of the oil. I want it to like a little bit oily, so a little bit of that oil. Now seasoning, low heat. Now seasoning with some sugar, a little bit. If you want it sweet, pad thai is like sweet. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of crushing peanuts. Peanuts, I can't pronounce that word. So and this one, and this one. Now, beating up our egg real quick. There you go. Cook the egg. Wait until the egg is cooked. I like to add my bean sprouts very cooked. So you use this technique where you tuck that underneath there, just like that. And now I'm seasoning with a little bit of fish sauce. Fish sauce, just a little bit, just to taste, just a little bit. Sugar, shrimps. Now you can turn the heat off now. You can give it a taste, and you can seasoning as you like. Me, I like it sweet. Okay. Gonna put it in a plate, sprinkle with this one. I can't pronounce. If I pronounce this word, it'd be something else. So better not. The moment of truth. Yeah, ta-da! Pad thai is ready to eat. Ooh, where's my spoon? Let me get my spoon. Ha 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 ha! The moment of truth. Here I come with my ding ding. So, if you go to street food in Thailand, you will see that they have all these lime, chili, crushed, and some sugars. Normally when I have pad thai, I don't like to squeeze the lime, but Adam, he loves squeezing the lime on top, and then I tried it. It was like life changing. Yeah. And then just look at that, still fresh, hot. Banana blossom. Everything not too sweet, If you really like sweet, then add more sugar. Don't add too much fish sauce. You don't want it to smell like fish sauce. Now first on more sweet taste. One more bite. And that's very quick and easy pad thai recipe. So if you want to try this one, the ingredient is under the descriptions. Until next time, I will see you guys soon. Bye bye. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for the next video. Bye bye. กระโดดแล้วตัดเลยเดี๋ยวนะ Gonna cut it but I'm blossom is so high. I don't know how to do this. Yeah, I got it.